Maybe it's in the gutter, but I left my number. What an expensive fate. Now I got a bellyache.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video it's a little bit something different, and I got packages from Trace Chic Cosmetics, and yeah. Okay, so I was told that I have a little like something, I get like a little like present in the inside. Okay, I don't know, I cut off. I think this one's only one because I did order one like another one by accident. So let's open the one that I did by accident that I don't get with my little present inside. Okay. This is just so, this adhesive is so sticky. Okay, so I get a lash applicator. Thank you for your order. Your purchase made our day. We hope this package brightens your day. No, brightens yours. Enjoy 15% off. Can I speak? I just can't. I'm just so excited. Enjoy 15% off your next purchase with this code. And this is a lash applicator, how to apply false lashes on the side. So what I got was, oh, they sent me two. Why? Why did they send me two? Okay, sorry, I got text. So, apparently I get two. Oh, so I did, okay, so in one package I got the ones that I asked for. So I got Desire, and I also got Captivating. And I'll swatch those. So I'm gonna open the big one. Wait, oh! Okay, so this is my little PR package. This is my little PR package. And what else did I get? Okay, I got the little thing again. Oh! So, thank you for supporting us. We are excited to have you on our team as a promoter, because I am a promoter now as in their little thing. Your followers can use your coupon code Lexendoll. I'm gonna put it right here. Lexendoll Makeup. Yeah. That's it. Oh, they sent me. Why'd they send me two? I only asked for one. This is the one that I ordered one. This one here. But I don't know why they sent me this one. Maybe it was by accident or something. I don't know. But I remember I ordered this one. Melrose. I'm just glad they didn't like do different ones. So I had these three. They sent me a little brush. And they sent me Honeysuckle. What is this? Intense Shimmer Loose Eyeshadow. So how do you apply it? Eyeshadow with brush. Oh, okay. I don't really know how you apply a loose shadow. Is this loose? Let's open it. Ooh. Oh, there's tape on it. I won't put that there. Put that here. Oh, this is loose as well. Ooh, okay. It's light. I'll use this as the swatch. So I have this much right here, and I'll swatch it. Nice, like Barbie pink. Okay, now I'll put that back here. It's almost like those like powders that you like your setting powders that you have to take off the sticker. That's exactly what it is. So I'm gonna do Captivating since that was my little gift also. I'm still wondering why they gave me Captivating. Like, no complaints, but I'm just wondering. Okay. Take that, and then this is Captivating. Since it's loose powder, I had to, like, you know, swatch that right in. And I like the pigment. I like the pigment. And then Melrose. Ooh, I like this. It's almost like a swatch between Captivating and I really like this one. Okay. Obviously, since it is loose powder, it's going to be like Fallout, but I really like that. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, I'm gonna put this one away. This is a Wet n Wild large eyeshadow brush, so yeah. This is by LA Colors. Okay. What? How do I? Oh, I just take that out like that. Okay. What do I do with that? It's really light though. Okay. It's called Honeysuckle, so I'm obviously not gonna be that strong. I really like this. This is so cute. Alright, and I have the brush right here, and let me see how soft it is. Am I done? How do you take these brushes out? Okay. Oh, and it has a little like indent right there, so like you're supposed to. So I feel like it's like really soft. Okay, it's like light pink right there. All right. Well, I'm gonna leave it at that. That's all I got. So I'll be back with another video once I get another package from them, probably. Alright, bye guys. Thank you so much for like this opportunity, and I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys, and thank you.
Take me to the moon.